Hello everyone, this is Gayatri Negi. I'm an intern in Lexis and Company and you're watching LexClip. In this video, we'll talk about complete patent application. So in my previous video, I have talked about general patent search, what is patent search, what is benefit of doing a patent search. We also talked about provisional patent application, but in this video, we'll talk about complete patent application. So complete patent is an exclusive legal right of the inventor, giving him or her the legal authority to exclude others from making, using, selling, offering for selling or importing a particular invention. This right vests in the patent for 20 years. Unlike when it is a provisional patent application, you have only 1 year time, but if when you complete your patent application, you will the patentee will get 20 years from the date of filing, exclusive right of 20 years. So the validity of patent is 20 years, set to inspire people to create more or to add to their innovation. The holder of the patent is entitled to sue any person who violates the patent and chooses who to sell, grant, लाइसेंस द पेटेंट, यानी कि उन 20 साल में पेटेंटी के पास कंप्लीट राइट्स होते हैं. समवन वायलेट्स his or her patent, he might sue him, he might sell his patenty invention or do anything with that. So what are the benefits of patent registration? First is exclusive authority over invention. Second is you can the patentee can sue the third party in case of infringement, like I told you before. Then it increases credibility in the market. If an invention is patented, it indirectly improves the brand value and can allow the company to charge the consumers a higher price, especially for a product which is extremely useful on the market, helps to extend the patent proprietor's valuation. Fourth benefit is monetary returns. The patent is a great asset and can extract way more significant monetary benefits than any other intellectual property. I also discussed this in my previous video on provisional patent application. Now, what are the documents required for filing a permanent patent application? First is the title of the invention must be mentioned. What title you have given to your invention. Then the applicant's information must also be mentioned in the application, such as name, addresses, contact detail, nationality, etc. Then the description of the invention, detailed description, like in your provisional or application you just gave the synopsis, but in your complete patent registration you give the detailed description of the invention, details about what the patentee wants to claim out of the invention. You must mention all these things in that particular application. And the fourth is technical aspects of the invention must also be mentioned. If there's an drawing or also provisional patent, if file must also be attached with that. DSC of the applicant, like I told you, whenever you want to register anything, any document online, you must have a digital signature certificate with you. So this was all about permanent patent application that I wanted to discuss. Now I will just briefly tell you what is not patentable in India. What are the things that you cannot patent in India? First, if this anything is a mere discovery and does not have any inventive step. It is a discovery but not an invention. You cannot patent such thing. And secondly, anything that is frivolous, obvious, contrary to law, injurious to public health, and invention relating to atomic energy, you cannot patent these things. Third, a mere arrangement or rearrangement or duplication of known devices and anything that does not have any utility can also not be patented in India. Fourth, a method of agriculture or horticulture cannot be patented. So this was all about patent registration in India. In case you want to know, you can comment in the comment box. And thank you for watching this video.